All right, boys and girls, today we are going to be looking at converting between a mixed number and an improper fraction. There is an equation that we need to remember to help us know how to convert from a mixed number into an improper fraction. So over here in the corner, I'm going to write that our equation is the whole number times or multiplied by the denominator and then my answer, I'm going to add the numerator. So what does that look like? Well, let's look at problem number 5. Problem number 5 says 5 2/3. I need to convert this from a mixed number, where I have a whole number and a fraction, to just an improper fraction, which is just a fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So I'm going to use my equation, whole number times denominator. So that means I'm going to take 5 times 3 and then add my numerator. And all of this is going to go over my original denominator. So I'm going to put my 3 there already, because I know that my denominator will stay the same. 5 times 3 I know is 15, plus 2 gives me 17. So I know that 5 2/3 is really 17/3. So we're writing as an improper fraction. I don't want any whole numbers in there. Okay, let's look at number 7. Number 7 is 6 6/10. Again, using my equation, I'm going to do 6 times 10 plus 6, because that's my numerator. 6 times 10 I know is 60, plus my 6 I know is going to give me 66. Well, what's my denominator? Remember, my denominator is whatever is already on the bottom. I'm not going to change it. So everything's going to go over 10, and I know 60 plus 6 is 66. So 6 6/10 is 66/10. Let's look at number 9. 2 7/8 is going to turn to an improper fraction. We're going to do 2 times 8 and add my numerator. Remember, my denominator stays the same, so I have an 8. So 2 times 8 is 16 plus 7. I know 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry my 1, it gives me a 20, so it's going to be 23/8. Last one before I let you go it on your own. We have 8 3/5. Take your 8 times 5 and add your 3. I know the denominator will stay 5, so I know 8 times 5 is 40, plus 3 gives me 43/5. Okay? Go ahead and do 6, 8, 10, and 12 on your own. If you need to, come back and look at how we did the odds, and you will be good to go.